Okay guys, let me put you on my current favorite moisturizer. This is the SpoiledChild C29 Anti-Aging Restoring Moisturizer. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid, peptides, squalene, and aloe. So it's super moisturizing during this time of year. I have combination skin, so my T-zone gets super oily and my cheeks get super dry, especially during the winter. I just use one pump of this every single night. Oh my god, I'm literally running out because I'm obsessed with it. I use one pump usually, and one pump is just enough to get the entire face. I'll just pat it in. And the thing about this is that it's moisturizing, but it doesn't feel greasy. So I feel like my skin is just drinking it up. This is also a non-scented version of the moisturizer because for me personally, my skin is just super sensitive to everything. And I prefer not to have fragrances in my skincare just because for me personally, given the reaction I usually get, I just feel like it's not worth it. Since this is formulated with aloe, anytime I get a crazy breakout and my skin is like super red and irritated, if I just apply this like I do every single night, the next day my skin is super calm and just moisturized again. I also really like to mix this in with my foundation just because the moisturizer absorbs nicely so my foundation doesn't get too slippery or anything, but it also makes the foundation a little bit of a lighter coverage because that's what I've been into lately. But yeah, this thing definitely does it all.